What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the best way to sell anything to everyone and what's in my secret black box that's going to help you make millions of dollars, or at least a tool to help you. Alright guys, stay tuned. So what is a funnel? A funnel is a selling and marketing technique that people have used all the way back to when we were just delivering mail. Now, a funnel can be used like a website, if you think about it in those kinds of terms. When you go to a website, you go to a landing page in a sense, and you see all these drop-down menus and different places to click to get to other different pages to eventually buy something or get more information. Now, when we simplify everything, you can really narrow it down to a funnel where it's just a landing page, an offer, maybe an upsell, and then a checkout. Quick, easy, and done. And what's really great about a funnel is that it attracts all of these fishies in the sea, which are potential leads and clients and customers, and then it helps you narrow them down so you can get sales and be very consistent with those sales and be very automated. Now, I want to give you guys an example here, okay? So when you go to your favorite clothing store online and you go to a regular website, you pop on and you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe more different tabs. Everything from shirts and pants and bathing suits and what's new and what's on sale. Then once you click those, it even brings even a more of a drop down of different options, right? So when maybe you saw something on Facebook as an ad and you're like, oh my gosh, that's a really cute dress, it's on sale, I want to buy it. You go to their website, you see a lot of different options everywhere, and the biggest thing that this causes is confusion. The number one mistake people make when they have websites is that it brings their clients and customers confusion, which leads to them not buying. When you're that customer and you're looking for that specific dress, you have to go through all these different tabs to try and find exactly what you're looking for. Now, when you simplify it for a funnel, what you would end up going to, if it was done correctly, is to a landing page, which has the direct information and link to the information you want. You go to that link and then you get exactly what you want. So whether it's information, the order link, the order page, and all that good stuff. So it leaves out less confusion, and the owner is directly selling exactly what you, the customer, wants. So what's really great about it is that it retains clients and it helps bring in more sales. Now, who should be using a funnel? Well, everybody. And I truly mean everybody. Whether you're in the food service industry and you have a restaurant, maybe you're in the tech industry and you're selling tech, or you're selling digital information. Maybe you are in the service industry like I am, and you're selling marketing services. A funnel will be your best friend and will lead you to millions of dollars if done right. So April, why should everyone be using a funnel? Maybe I haven't heard of a funnel. What makes it so profitable? The biggest thing about it all is clarity, is it being so user-friendly, being very clear to the customer and for the owner to give exactly what the customer wants and needs and is willing to buy. That's it. Something that I love when it comes to funnels is using ClickFunnels. Hence the name, works out perfect, right? So using their platform, it's like a drag and drop, and it really creates an easy landing page, an easy order and thank you page, and it really helps with any upsells that I may have to consistently bring my clients from the deep blue sea all the way down into my automation and into my sales. All right, guys, if you are wanting to learn more information on funnels, maybe you just never heard of it, or you kind of liked what you're hearing now and you want to get more in-depth information, There's so much information out there for you, starting with Google, YouTube, blogs, and then also paid resources out there like the One Funnel Away Challenge, Funnel Builders Secrets, or you can skip all of that, head over to my Facebook group, Stay at Home Profit, and come check out and ask questions there. We go over tons of different trainings on funnels. All right, guys, let's get back to my little secret black box. Alrighty, guys, let's open up my secret black box. I'm super excited. I finally got it in the mail today, and I have been dying to hurry up and record this video and do the unboxing. I am in the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge, and when you sign up for this challenge, you get this, well, you have the option to get this beautiful box of deep, dark secrets to help you build that one funnel to lead you to millions. All right, let's do it. Also, something I just now realized, it says that you can win a prize simply for opening this package. So while I was getting this reset up, I did text OFA to this number, so I can't wait to find out. Hold up for just 1 second. Do you see this? This is an amazing marketing technique that's gonna help you get your prospective leads into another communication medium. Check it out below. This is actually super pretty and a lot bigger than I thought it was. I don't know about you, but what I love about doing unboxings is finding these. Always so much fun to have in the box. What I love about the One Funnel Away Challenge is like the Mission Impossible theme. The training is amazing, the videos are great, and I really love your training officially begins now. This is just super cute, and it definitely brings in a lot of motivation. All right, you guys, so as we're going through, they have this really cute pamphlet going over some information about their affiliate program. Something that I love is the fact that you can earn One Funnel Away practically for free. Their affiliate program is truly amazing. So I definitely recommend checking that out. All right, so we have the One Funnel Away Challenge box right here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So as you guys can see, it's like a little MP3, taking it back old school. What's really great is that they do give so many different options for people to learn the material, whether you are a doer, maybe you are a person who learns by audio more or visual from videos, actual exercises and workbooks, and of course audio. I work out in the morning. I also go for walks to the park with my kids, so this is something I would definitely use a lot, just to listen and keep up my training every day. Accountability is huge, so no excuses. Alrighty, so the next thing is this cute blue box. Ooh, it's a lot heavier than I thought it was. Oh, it's so cute. Alrighty, guys, something that you might not know about me is I absolutely love opening up gifts, so this is like an amazing day for me. I love getting mail. Oh, okay, so first of all, how cute, I'm guessing is a bookmark. It is, yes. Is this. So has a $100 bill and his face right in the middle with Russell just looking handsome as ever. And then the You Suddenly Lose Everything 30 Days book. I will tell you, this is actually the biggest reason why I decided to do this challenge. Something that a lot of people, I feel like, don't think about when they start their business is what happens if. What happens if Facebook shuts down? What happens if Instagram is no longer here? We all kind of went through MySpace, and when that just kind of fluttered away. So it's something to think about, and I love when this was an option to go through people who are in the 2 Comma Club and have made millions of dollars. What would happen if they lost everything and they had to restart their business? So I'm so excited to dive into this. If you are not already following me on Instagram, go to the link below and follow me. I will be doing Instagram stories all about this book and what I'm learning, and keeping you guys up to date on this challenge. So don't forget to go and follow me there. All right, guys. So next we have the 2 Comma Club coaching. I hold myself to really high standards, and I love to really challenge myself every year. So on my list for 2019 was to get into the 2 comma club. So I'm super excited for this and reach my goal. All right, the next thing that's in here is our workbook. I love workbooks. It really holds me accountable and makes me actually pay attention to the trainings. I'm a course hoarder. I love buying courses, but if there isn't any accountability, if there's not like workbooks or anything that's something that I can do hands-on, I always kind of like set it and forget it. So I'm super excited for this workbook, and I can't wait to start filling it out. Alrighty guys, that's about it. This is my magic box that's going to help me use funnels to create the financial freedom that I truly want and I know that you truly desire. So if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe below. And if you want more information, check out the description below. Check out those links and see if maybe the one funnel away challenge is for you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my stories and Instagram lives for updated videos on the challenge and how I'm doing, and connect with me one-on-one to see if this is the right fit for you. And don't forget to head over to my Facebook group, Stay at Home Profit. I answer tons of questions over there. There are other people who are in this challenge, so there is definitely a lot of information in this group, and you can get all your questions answered. I hope you guys had an amazing time watching this video, and I can't wait to see you next time.